What's going on, everybody in YouTube? Today I have a very interesting video. Why? Because I got the cheapest phone ever in the world. It's the ZTE Obsidian. It's with Metro PCS for $19, something unbelievable. I'm gonna be comparing it to the LG G Stylo. Actually, this comparison is not gonna be like talking about the specs or the camera and stuff like that, because everybody knows that the LG Stylo has a very nice specs and specification. But in this video I'm just trying to see how is the performance of the $19 phone in compared to a phone like the LG G Stylo. Without further ado, guys, let's get started to it. Let me start with the first test here that we have. This LG G Stylo has 5.1, the Lullaby Android, and you got the part from here. I'm gonna just go ahead and get the two phones be rebooted at the same time. So both actually, the LG G Stylo has 1.2 quad-core processor, Snapdragon chipset, 410 and 2 gig of RAM. You get 1 gig of RAM for the ZTE Obsidian and 1 gigahertz, which is MediaTek this time. It's not going to be a Snapdragon here, but this is the most affordable phone in the world actually, compared with the LG G Stylo. Actually, the LG G Stylo is completely done the reboot, and we have it for the $19. Was a little bit way behind for this test. Let me just go ahead and try to see if I get any recent application on the phones. Yeah, for some reason this phone's still lagging a little bit. I'm sorry about that, but here we go. So you have just to keep push, and let me just clean everything from the RAM and very much start doing the comparison. And here's where you can actually clean everything in one time. Now we have the caches clean in both phones, as you guys can see. So let me start the test and see. Start with the dialer. That was actually the LG Stylo, and let me go to contacts. LG Stylo, one more time, it's faster. What about messages? The LG Stylo as well, so taking the lead right now, the LG Stylo. Let me see if I can go to Play Store. Also the LG Stylo is quicker. And let me see if I can do the benchmark test here. Also the LG Stylo. But the speed of the ZTE, it's not bad, so let me just go ahead and play some games. Kind of LG Stylo for first time reboot. Yes, the LG Stylo is much faster actually. Kind of interesting. And let me see Asphalt 8. I mean, you can tell now the LG G Stylo, it's actually performing better. It's boom now. It's just finished downloading, and this is kind of interesting. Let me just see if I can play the game. You get some application. Let me see if I can run the same stage. Start the stage. So overall the LG G Stylo is performing much better, but the ZTE actually also is doing a great job at the same time. So I wasn't like too bad in that compare. And even they finished the download faster, so The ZTE, this is the main reason of the video actually. It's not a bad phone actually. This is what I'm trying to say, you know what I mean? Let me see if the camera application will be faster or not. Even the camera application was a little bit of the delay. So the phone is it's actually performing good. So when we go test the RAM, see the difference between 1 gig of RAM and actually 2 gig of RAM in the LG Stylo. We'll go to Timberland, which is a game, and see. And here's the difference, guys. You see the LG Stylo now, you don't need even to you know, reboot the games again, while the Obsidian now is just go ahead and reboot the game and get started. Let me just try another thing here. Let's see if we can do Asphalt 8 and see. See, no problem. LG Stylo, it's taking the lead even with the RAM. That's 2 gig of RAM. It makes big difference for you guys. And let me see the Geek Benchmark 3. Actually, LG Stylo is taking a lead in everything, but the ZTE Obsidian, that wasn't bad performance in compare. This is the cheapest phone ever in the world. It performing very nice. It wasn't too bad. And that was just a speed test comparison between the cheapest phone ever in the world, and in my opinion is only $19, with the LG G Stylo, one of the best mid-range phone right now. And for more videos like that, you guys can subscribe and thumbs up if you want. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next video.